Welcome to issue 14 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. Now I should have got this 4 weeks ago, about a month ago, but for some reason I never got this issue. So this is about a month late, this issue. So I'll do it. This is the missing stand. Well, quick look at the magazine. Issue 14. If you use web access code, lost wax, casting fine jewellery, 3D printing and lost wax casting, going around rotations, getting in a spin. It's about the program, how to make things. Jargon Buster. This is like the 3D tutorial, design tutorial. More rotation tips. Design walls. Build to last. Adrian's Wall, cost from North England, has survived partly because of its weight to ratio. It gives it great strength. Adrian Wall was 117.5 kilometers long and up 6 meters high in parts, and started in AD 112. Now these are the bits. I'll just do the magazine quickly. These are more design files. Doll's House Dining Set Part 2. Bike cup holder. That's useful for me because I do a lot of bike riding. Tweezers. A twist vase. And ABS. They've touched different parts of plastic. Now that's issue 15, which I've already got, which is this frame here. So let's go on to this part. And this is the missing feet bit. Feet. So basically all I am doing these, I think this is the same as issue 13, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this is issue 13 was a left bottom plate, and this issue 14 is the right bottom plate. So all I'm doing is repeating what was in issue 13. So I'm taking this, stick it back off here, and sticking it onto there. This is like the feet. simple. Again, this, putting it onto this. Pushing it down so it fits nice and snugly. So that's the 3 feet done. And then, as because I've got this bit missing, I have to go back to issue 15. Then I'll put an R on there. That's the right plate. This is the left plate. You can see that L. So all I have to do, quite difficult. And I've got some screws. No screws. Got some left over. So let's go the right way. I think it's like that. Try and work out how this goes. Oh no, it goes up that way, make sure it goes up the right way round. There's I see, so those 3 holes, there's those 3 holes there, 1, 2, 3, and there's that hole 1, 2 and 3, so it'll be quite, maybe if I turn this up like that maybe. I do use the word fiddling in this construction a lot, because that's what it is, very fiddly. Line going past in the background. Could be a tractor even. Quite a lot of tractors go past my cottage. There we go. I need a proper workbench, but I haven't really got a proper workbench, so you have to make do what you've got. Okay, so that's those 3 screws done there, well, temporarily. And then let's just have a look. Oh, there's 1 screw there. Oh, there's 3 screws just there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do those ones. And then there's 1 more screw. So it looks like that. The screw goes oh no, it goes underneath yet again. They all seem to go underneath, which is just that one there. Then this one goes here, and the foot goes here. And then it looks like that foot goes there by the looks of it. And then this one going here. So that's that. So this is issue. This is the missing issue 14. So I said about a month ago. So now next bit, which is 15, which is there's a little button which you can click on, and then in there 16, which is the last week. So if you go on to issue 15, there's a click, and then you can go to 16, and then there's a button where you press and go on to 17. So I'll see you on 14. So this is issue 14 I'm doing now. So depending on which issue you want to click on, there's 14, 15, 16, I'm about to do issue number 17. So see you in the next issue, whatever one you decide to look at. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.